Hello, citizens. Well, it's been brought to my attention that apparently I have been reporting in poetry style, which is kind of funny because I didn't even think about it, right? My friend was like, is there any way you can make your recordings wide? And I was like, so baffled by it. Anywho, so yeah, now we're wide. Now I'm doing it in landscape mode. Yeah, I didn't think about it. I'm used to other apps and whatnot that you record portrait, up and down, vertical, however you want to word it. Anyways, but I'm glad you're here with me. Today we're gonna go over how to add listings to your Etsy shop. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm not on my laptop. I already am on Etsy.com and I'm already signed into my account. So now we're gonna go into how to add listings. So Etsy has done bunches of updates and things, like I said, are way different from when I first started. So we're going to go and click on Shop Manager on the top here. Then it pulls up a whole dashboard for you. Okay. Now we're going to go to the left side, the left bar over here. And it's like a triangle, circle, square. So click it. That's where your listings are. Okay. On the top here, you click Add Listings. Here's my listings already that I've made. And so when you create listings, it will show you a whole list of your listings. Okay, but back to the top here. I'm going to click Add a Listing. Okay. So later I'll go over with you guys like photo size recommendations and everything else. But click Photo. Okay. Add your photos. Titles. So make sure you add a title. Right? So it could be basically anything you want. What you should do is make sure you put the actual name you've given your item and then use some keywords in the title. Then afterwards, you're going to fill in about the listing, who made it. I usually put I did because I make my items. A finished product or a supplier tool. And then it asks you about when you made it. So if you're creating made to order items, that's an option there. And then there's also recently. And if it's a vintage product, they give you a whole long list of dates for that. Category. It's just so if people put in jackets or hats and whatnot. So put in a category. Renewal options. You can either set up any of your listings to automatically renew when it expires, right? Because it's usually about a 3 months or so listing. So after 3 months are up, it'll automatically renew. Or you can put manual, means it'll expire. And either you have to go into your expired listings and renew it manually or renew it before the time's up. So then you can either click if it's a physical item or a digital one. Make sure you add your description of what it is. Sections are optional. Tags are also optional, but tags are also very helpful when it comes to your SEO. Materials, that's also optional, but I like adding them too. Price, make sure you add your price. How many of these you're going to make available. Either you already made them or how many, you're willing to make. Make sure you put that. Allows restock requests. Now this is new. So let's say, your listing's still valid and you only had 3 of those items listed. Now, when those 3 items sell out, now it has a thing where customers can tell you, hey, I really like this item. I want to be notified when it comes back in stock. So that's really cool. And that's a new thing. Variation. So let's say you made necklaces, right? And it's just a simple gemstone necklace. And let's say you have 3 different color stones. So a black one, a white one, a green one. So you can add the variations here. Okay? So then shipping. Shipping is important. A lot of people do the Etsy calculates the shippings for you, the shipping costs for you, which is really simple. They'll, depending on wherever you are and your customer is, they'll set it all up and they make sure it's the exact price it needs to be every time. Okay. So now for manual or fixed costs, some people do it, some people don't do it. But basically, let's say you want everyone to pay exactly $3 for shipping for whatever reason or another, you can totally do that. Okay, so if it's calculate done for me, you put in your zip and select your processing time. Processing time is really, really important because this is what Etsy tells all your customers. So if you make items that are already made, ready to ship, then put it, for a lower business days. Now, if you are a custom maker, like one of a kind maker, or you don't make a product until someone buys it, then make sure you put it for longer. Okay. And I also let everyone know more or less what the shipping time is, where you'll ship. Now you get to choose if you're only willing to sell within your own country, sell internationally, or only certain other countries. Okay, and then there's also the new free shipping options. Make sure you figure out what your shipping profile is. Now, item size. Now, no matter whether you're doing it, you're always going to have to put like the weight and the size. So when that's done, make sure you publish it. This button right here on the bottom, you publish it and it makes your listing live. Now let's say you want to just create a bunch of listings, but you don't want to publish them yet. You'll click save as a draft instead, and there'll be a whole nother section in your listing part of your dashboard that will have all your draft listings. You can always go back later. It'll pop up the same thing here, and then you can publish it. All right, that's it when it comes to listings. All right, before I go, I want you guys to check out the link in the description where you can sign up for my email list where I'll send you awesome freebies, cool videos I think you might like, and updates on future videos I'll be making. Also, don't forget that if you don't quit, you won't fail, and it's never too late to follow your dreams. Okay, bye-bye, citizens.